Australia Bank's over 100 years old. We're the second largest bank in Australia. We're constantly looking to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. We deployed Windows 11 Enterprise within 23 days of it actually being deployed into the public realm, which we're quite proud of.
Windows 11 came along quite easily for us because a lot of our app teams have done all the testing on previous versions. We're able to go faster to market because of the fact that we were current.
In order for our customers to have a good experience, our colleagues need to have a good experience with technology.
Back before our IT modernisation, our technology was built around in-office networks being very rigid.
We made a conscious decision to migrate away from a on-premise managed desktop laptop. Having Windows 11 and Intune managed, cloud managed laptops allows us to support remote workers really easily. We've also had a number of acquisitions over the last couple of years, and being cloud managed, we don't have a requirement for corporate network. They're able to be provided a device remotely and able to use that device, log in, connect to NAB systems and get up and running straight away.
That's provided flexibility for our colleagues. It's enabled us to attract more talent and given us the capability to provide a really good colleague experience which transposes to a great customer experience.
For Windows 11 specifically, things have become faster and more easy to find. It's a lot more intuitive. Using the search features to find the settings that I need. We have a lot of colleagues who use the ability to subtitle videos when they're streaming so that people who do need some additional accessibility support can then read, view, make the most of it. One of the biggest pieces of feedback that I get from the business is how much they love Windows Hello.
This improved our security posture dramatically, provided a richer experience for our colleagues because they no longer needed passwords. The biggest return on investment for our Windows 11 Enterprise deployment has been around the simplicity of our environment. We've got everyone on a standard platform, which enables us to reduce our cost of management. We have less breakage, which means there's less people calling our service desk. It's enabled us to be more productive in the way in which we manage our technology for all of our colleagues across the whole globe. Apart from giving us a single console to manage our fleet, it gave us additional security features. We have over 60,000 endpoints that are managed by Intune. NAB decided in mid-2023 to be an early adopter of the Copilot program.
There's Windows Copilot and there's also Security Copilot. There's tens of millions of logs pouring in every single day, but having Security Copilot running over the top allows our engineers to ask really, really important questions and get answers. Previously, that would be analysis paralysis.
One of the things that I have been doing is using Copilot to analyse results from surveys. I did that this morning in about 10 minutes, what would have taken hours of time. Copilot will really make a massive difference for our organisation and I think for all organisations.
Windows 11 is a fantastic base for that because it provides an evergreen platform for us that enables us to keep our systems and infrastructure modern.
It sets us up for success in the future. It removes a whole heap of dependency from corporate infrastructure. It's just been a really, really good user experience.
What that means for the organisation and for our NAB people is that they can spend more time with our customers, which is really what matters to them.